Well, some doesn't happen very often. I'm actually off the ship for a few hours. Go and do a little bit of shopping. Gonna see if I can find something that's gonna help me with my snoring. So we'll see. In any case, follow me. We're gonna be having a lot of very cool videos coming up on how to actually get a job in the maritime industry. So subscribe. You'll see it's going to be a whole series of videos of exactly what steps that you need to take and what type of documents that you need in order to actually get a job in the maritime industry.